Enjoy the delicious flavors of this comforting soup.
2 eggs, tomato ketchup, 1 cup, chili ketchup, 1 cup, mushroom, chopped chicken, 1 cup, corn flour, 1 tablespoon, salt and sugar to taste, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon, ginger, water, 4 cup, lemon leaf, lemongrass, green chili, 3 to 4 pieces. Soup start boiling. Cook on medium flame, 10 to 15 minutes. Thai chicken soup is now ready to be served. Enjoy the delicious flavors of this comforting soup.